Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Cooking with a Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Hey guys, got a simple, exciting little recipe for you. Cheesy chicken casserole, and it is amazing. You're gonna like it. But I went ahead, got a little olive oil in the pan. The chicken, I put my seasoning on both sides. I then pounded it out with tenderizer under a saran wrap. It embeds the seasonings into the chicken. Okay, we're gonna brown this chicken up a little bit. Good to be back with you guys. Got my lovely daughter on the camera with us tonight. Got to thank Jacqueline. Thanks, Jacqueline. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 400. So got our chicken browning. Got our water boiling. Although I didn't put any salt in there. So here, let's add some salt. One bag of baked noodles. Gunchy's at his mom's. It'll be back this weekend. Gonna figure out what we're gonna do then. Now I only want to cook these till they're about al dente, because they're gonna cook in the oven for about 15-20 minutes at 400. Alright, so we got them going. See how our chicken's doing, guys. Oh yeah. Up, man down. Back in there. Back in the skip. No, you can't escape. Alright. I just want to get the chicken cooking a little bit, guys, because I don't want raw chicken in my casserole. Alright. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to get my onions prepped up here. Sweet vadallia, guys. Love sweet vadallia. It's good stuff. Very fine, guys. Click. How many of you guys are out there ready for summer already? I am. Tired it's cold. Cold, rain. Man, it really kicks in the old arthritis. Some of you folks out there know what I'm talking about. Most of you young bucks, you have no clue yet. Wait about 40 years. Yeah. And we're going to use here just a little bit of celery. I don't want it to be overpowering in the dish, guys. We're going to use in maybe about a quarter to a half. Remember, guys, keep your fingers back. What do you think? I think that's about a quarter cup, huh? What do you think, Jen? Yeah, we'll go with that. Oh yeah, coming along good. I'm wondering, should be enough room in this pan, guys. Somewhere I have my lid. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna let this chicken finish up. Let my noodles finish. I'll be right back. Alright, we got our chicken cooked up. Alright, we're gonna go on about a medium heat. My noodles are al dente. And silly me, I forgot my veggies were in my strainer. We're going to throw in our butter. One stick, guys, unsalted. There's our oven heated up. We're good to go there. Little spray, guys. Keep your stuff from sticking. Helps with the cleanup too. Guys, you don't want to overcook your noodles. That way you don't end up with mush. Right. Got spectators today. I'm going to go ahead and throw in the onions and celery. We're going to let these cook up a little bit till they're sort of translucent. Alright. And we're going to be making the roux for our casserole, guys. But while these cook up, you don't have to hang around. That's like watching paint dry. I'll be right back. Stick around. Right, guys. I'm going to throw a little dash of chili flakes in there. Why? Because I like spicy. You don't have to put that in. It's all good. But I'm going to put in about a 1/4 cup of flour. This is going to thicken up our roux. Going to let this cook around for a couple minutes, guys. Remember, you don't want to raw fry. Oh yeah. Man, it smells pretty good. Butter, onion, celery. Woo-hoo. I'm going to go ahead and throw in my mixed veggies. I want them to catch some of that flavor too, you know. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff there, guys. And I'm going to throw in about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Amazing stuff, guys. Remember, you don't want to burn your root. All right? Oh, you get all that good garlicky flavor. We're going to put in 2 cups of chicken broth. Gonna bring that back up to temp. I'm gonna put in 2 cups of milk as well. After it comes up to temp. Because you don't want your milk to curdle. Alright? But let me get this back up to temp, guys. See you in a minute. Hey guys. I'm putting in 2 cups of grated sharp cheddar cheese. Now that we got, and I had it in our mouth already. Just so you know. I'm gonna let this come together and melt. Oh yeah, look at it getting thick, guys. But we're getting close to 500 subscribers, guys. So you know we're thinking about doing a giveaway when we hit 500. Nothing big, because you can't really afford a lot, but we'll do a couple gift cards probably. You'll just have to stay tuned in. Oh yeah, it's melting up nice. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my chicken back in. Ooh, almost didn't have a big enough pan. That would have sucked. Alright. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Alright. And don't you worry, guys. I didn't forget. I do have bacon. Alright, but once this comes up to temp, guys, I'm going to go ahead and dump it over the noodles. And we'll go ahead and get it topped off, get it in the oven. Alright? But stick around so you can see the finished product. Alright. That wasn't as bad as I thought. You know, me and my missus, guys. Oh yeah. All that chicken, all the veggies. Yeah. Good stuff, man. Almost just gonna need a bigger dish. I think we'll be alright though. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just throw some bacon on here. Oh yeah. A little bit of bacon. And I'm gonna put a little more cheese in. Smells good, guys. Telling you. One day, we will have smell-o-vision. I mean, come on. If the amusement park can do it, huh? All right. And I have some crushed Ritz crackers here, mixed in with about half a cup of Romano. Put these over the top. I'm gonna make a mess all the way. Woo-hoo. This is one sleeve of crackers, guys. All right? Oh yeah. Just pat that down. Amazing. But if you want them to brown up, guys, you gotta hit them with some butter. All right? That is a stick of butter. I'm in a butter kind of mood. All right, but I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this in the oven. And I'll see you when it's done. All right, uh-oh. Mess time. Reaper making a mess. Oh yeah. Cheesy goodness, guys. Amazing. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. And don't forget, add a little salt. You can always add it. You can't take it away. But, I'd like to thank you for being with us here again. You're cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. God bless, and we will see you next time.